Are you ready to unlock the genius within? What if I told you that intelligence isn't just something you're born with? It's a muscle, and like any muscle, you can train it. Embrace lifelong learning. The smartest people are always learning. They're insatiable. They don't see education as something that ends when you leave school. Instead, it's a lifelong journey. Think about it. What's one thing you've always wanted to learn? Maybe coding, playing an instrument, a new language? Now is the time. Genius isn't about knowing everything. It's about being relentlessly curious. Take Einstein, for example. He didn't just master physics. He was fascinated by music, art, and philosophy. This breadth of knowledge, that interdisciplinary thinking, is what allowed him to make groundbreaking discoveries. So, challenge yourself. Read a book outside your comfort zone. Take an online course. Attend that lecture. Your brain will thank you. Ask deeper questions. Most people are content with surface-level answers. But geniuses dig deeper. They don't just accept things at face value. They question assumptions. They challenge the status quo. Instead of asking what, they ask why and how. Think about Elon Musk. He didn't just accept that rockets were expensive. He asked, why are they so expensive? And then he set out to revolutionize the space industry. This habit starts with curiosity and ends with innovation. Don't be afraid to be the person who asks the stupid question. Because often, those are the questions that lead to the biggest breakthroughs. Cultivate mindfulness and meditation. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos, but geniuses understand the power of a quiet mind. They take time to disconnect, to reflect, to recharge. Mindfulness and meditation aren't just trendy buzzwords. They're powerful tools for improving focus, reducing stress, and enhancing creativity. Think about Steve Jobs. He was a devoted practitioner of Zen Buddhism. He believed that meditation helped him clear his mind and access his intuition. Even just 10 minutes of daily meditation can make a huge difference. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let your thoughts pass by like clouds in the sky. Seek out novel experiences. Genius isn't born in an echo chamber. It thrives on exposure to new ideas, cultures, and perspectives. Get out of your comfort zone. Travel to a new place. Try a new food. Talk to someone with a different background. These experiences can spark new connections and ignite your imagination. Think about Leonardo da Vinci. He was a painter, a sculptor, an architect, a scientist, an inventor, an anatomist, a geologist, a cartographer, a botanist, and a writer. His diverse interests fueled his genius. Don't be afraid to explore, to experiment, to embrace the unknown. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. The fear of failure paralyzes so many people. But geniuses understand that failure is an inevitable part of the learning process. They don't see failure as an end. They see it as a beginning, as a valuable lesson. Think about Thomas Edison. He famously failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's the mindset of a genius. Don't be afraid to take risks, to make mistakes, to learn from your failures. Connect with other brilliant minds. No one achieves greatness in isolation. Geniuses surround themselves with other smart, ambitious, and inspiring people. They understand that collaboration and knowledge sharing are essential for innovation. Find your tribe. Attend conferences. Join online communities. Seek out mentors. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, who inspire you, and who support you. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Prioritize deep work and focused attention. In today's world of constant distractions, it's hard to focus. But geniuses understand the power of deep work. They carve out time for uninterrupted concentration to work on their most important tasks. They minimize distractions, turn off notifications, and create a space where they can truly focus. Think about Bill Gates. He famously takes think weeks, where he retreats to a secluded cabin to read, think, and plan. Schedule time for deep work. Protect that time fiercely, and watch your productivity soar. So, there you have it, the 7 habits of highly intelligent people. These habits aren't magic. They require effort and discipline. But if you commit to incorporating them into your life, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now, I want to know, which of these habits resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on unlocking your potential and achieving your dreams. Remember, the path to genius isn't about being perfect. It's about being curious, being persistent, and never stop learning. Now, go out there and unleash your inner genius.